Worker Network, no child killing with tranquility. How may I help you?
Yes, you may help me. May I speak to you, Tony, please?
I'm sorry?
May I speak to Tony, please?
Oh, you're looking for Tony?
Yes. I wondered if he was out of his hole yet.
Oh, well, he is in his office right now. I can get him for you.
Thanks, I'd appreciate it.
He did come out early, but
I'm not surprised.
But because you support baby killers and child murderers,
you know what? Why don't you go ahead and give me Tony?
He can only speak 3 words.
You know what? I like to speak to Tony.
Which is yes, no,
you know what?
and
I would
frog.
like to speak to Tony.
So you're going to have to plan your conversation accordingly.
Would you give me Tony, please?
Okay, well, I hope you heard all that. I'm going to transfer you now.
Thank you. You're so kind.
This is Tony.
Oh, my gosh. I had such a problem getting to you, Tony. Thank you for answering your phone.
Yes.
Yes, I wondered how your hobbies were going and why you were harassing people.
Frog.
It is a very tough situation and a tough question to answer. But I know that you can, so let's hear it.
Frog.
I know it's a tough situation. However, what is the reason that you are having a hobby of harassing people who don't think like you do? Do you live in your parents' basement?
No.
You know, I'm not surprised.
Frog.
Can you speak?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Why would you harass people who do not believe as you believe?
Frog.
I believe it.
Frog.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Yes.
You know, I'm glad we've had this conversation. I imagine it's one of the few recently you've had besides videotaping that has helped you out some.
Frog.
Excellent. And frog? Excellent.
Frog.
And can you spell it?
No.
Here's how it is. Froggie. Froggy.
Yes.
That's for frogs who can't talk.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes. June 29, 2012, 12:28 p.m.